Okay, so today we are into the second day of the practice GDPA session for this year. We are starting the placement for this MBA 23-25 batch in the first week of September. So the students are gearing up for the placement activity. As far as yesterday's first day of the practice GDPA sessions are concerned, I think it went on well. We received a good feedback from the recruiters as well as the alumni. Yeah, today I think students are pretty well prepared for the placements. So yesterday and today, and practice GDPA in general is a preparatory session wherein they get a lot of feedback from the alumni and industry experts, and they can fine tune and polish upon them, and then get ready for the placement season 2024. Right?
Any tips, ma'am? How they can prepare?
Yeah, for the practice GDPA session, I request all the students. In fact, I advise all the students to go with an open mind, because most of the students are freshers. Okay, so they should be ready to accept what the feedback, whether it is a criticism, it should be a constructive, taken in the form of a constructive criticism, because they are all freshers. So they should go with an open mind and a very good attitude. That paves the way for the placements for this season.
Any message for the alumni who are coming or visiting the campus?
Yeah, obviously, alumni are the backbone of this institute. We have around 70,000 alumni spread across various parts of India as well as the world. So, in fact, we get the recruitments, we get the placements through them in a big way. So, I sincerely pray that alumni should support us more and more in this endeavor to place 1,260 students every year.
Thank you so much, ma'am.